Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my bridesmaid and flower girl proposal boxes. I'm so excited. I'm going to actually be like making them with you guys right now. I'm so freaking excited for it. I have my little bride shirt here. It's a tank top. I got it from Target. It's actually a pajama top, but it works. It's real cute. Let's get into this video. All right, so very first, I think I'm gonna do my flower girl boxes real quick. Well, they're actually not gonna be boxes, they're gonna be in bags. But I'm gonna do that real quick just because all of that good stuff's right here on top. Well, most of it's on top, not everything. All right, and I'll show you guys exactly what I got and all of that good stuff. Alrighty, so I got these little bags from Walmart. They're really cute, they're pink. I'm obsessed with them. They're very glittery. And I'm just going to be putting all of their stuff in here. Oh, what is this? Oh, wow. It actually even has like a little pocket in here too. That's cute. That's real cute. I didn't know that. Okay. So I'm just going to be putting all their stuff in here. And I'm going to show you guys everything that I got them. All right. And then I'll have everything linked down in the description box down below. All right, so I'm having two flower girls, kind of, and I'll explain that in a second, but I'm having Briley, she's 4, I'm having her be like the actual flower girl, and then I'm having Cadence, who is 9, and she is going to actually be holding Tinsley, or at least walking Tinsley with a leash. Haven't actually went through the specifics, one of the two. She's either going to be carrying Tinsley or walking Tinsley down the aisle. If you don't know, Tinsley is my teacup Yorkie. She was my dog originally, but Brandon has so lovingly taken her on as a very cute little step dog. So that is what we're doing. So technically 2 flower girls kind of. So the very first thing I got each of them a book. They love books. So, and I don't know if I mentioned it, but they're my cousins. They're my little cousins. Okay, so the first one, this is one I got Briley. It's called Pinkalicious Flower Girl, and I got both of these from Amazon. Really cute. So freaking adorable. But that's the one that I got Briley, and then this is the one that I got Kay. It's Junie B. Jones is Almost a Flower Girl. I loved Junie B. Jones as a kid, and I thought this would be the perfect book for her. I'm literally so freaking obsessed with that. I'm so obsessed. Okay, so then I got those, and then I also got them, this is the tissue paper I'm using. It's just like glittery, real cute. And then I just got them these 2 little lip balms. They're like cake pops, but I thought it was cute because, like the cake pop flavor, I thought it was cute because, you know, cake, flower girl, real cute. And then I got them these 2 little, I got each of them the LOL Lils. So like they're the little mini LOLs. I don't know, they're obsessed with these type of things. So got those for them. And then I got them each these pink shirts on Amazon, and then I had my mom Cricut something on top of it. So it's really cute, and I had her Cricut sprinkle flowers, still show, dance with boys, and eat cake, #flower girl. So freaking cute and adorable. And I ended up getting a 2-pack of these. One of them is going to be a little bit big for Briley, and honestly even Kay too, because Kay is tiny. They're like the same size. And so it may be a little bit big for it, but it was way cheaper to buy like a 2-pack of medium, like kids medium, than to buy them individually. It was literally like double the price. So I was like, we're gonna get this 2 medium pack. You're definitely gonna hear Brandon. But I was like, no way. I was like, we're just gonna buy the 2 medium pack and we'll be good to go. They can tie it in a knot. It'll be real cute. So that's what I got each of them as well. And then the very last thing that I got them, I got Briley this necklace. It just says, will you be my flower girl? And it has like a flower on it. Hopefully you can see it. Hopefully my ring light's not blinding you. Really cute. And then I got this one for Kay. I'm so freaking excited that I found this. I wanted to get something that had like a dog on it and like specifically a teacup Yorkie. And I found this freaking bracelet. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. So this is what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see it, but it's literally a freaking teacup Yorkie, and it has like a little bone down there. It's pink, so freaking cute. I'm literally obsessed. It's actually supposed to be like an anxiety bracelet, but it's so cute. I'm obsessed with that. Look at how freaking adorable that is. Oh, You guys are probably at a completely different angle because my tripod kind of fell on me, so yeah. Anyway, let's jump back into this. So I'm gonna just put everything in this bag. Okay, so now for my bridesmaids boxes. I have 4 bridesmaids and then a maid of honor. My maid of honor is my amazing mother. She's not actually standing up there with us, but she has the role of maid of honor. And so what I got her was this card, which I have not written in it, but I just got this from Target for $1. I got this a heckin' long time ago, and it just says, will you be my maid of honor? And then I also gave her a couple other things. And so as for my bridesmaids, like I said, I have 4 of them. So the very first thing that I got was these Tula Bright All Night Energizing Sheet Masks. It comes with like 1 sheet mask, but I thought it was perfect because they're like energizing and wedding perfect. And then this was like just kind of the overall color that I was going for, just like fun and pretty and silver. Not that my wedding silver at all. I don't even know why I chose that, but I thought it was pretty. And then I got them each a glitter foot from the Siete London brand. These are like the glitter, These are like the glitter, like liquid lipsticks where they're just like matte and then you like rub your lips together and they're like all glittery. And then this is in the color Forbidden. I just really like the color and I thought it went well with everything else that I got. So then I also got them each a candle. This is from the Sand and Fog brand and it was from TJ Maxx and it was $2.99 a piece. I honestly, it doesn't smell bad. I don't mind the smell. It's not like my favorite, but I just really liked the overall look of it because it's just like super plain and I like that. All right, I don't think I'm gonna put the lid in there though. I think I'm gonna take the lid off. Okay, the next thing that I got them each a nail polish. It's all the same color. I wanted them to be like uniform. This is the LA Colors brand. The color lasts, they're like supposed to like last up to 10 days. And this is in the shade Friendship. I didn't even know that that was the color, but that actually is perfect. I just really liked the color of it. I love that mauve color, but that's amazing that that is the name. Love that. All right, and then the next thing that I got them each, and I also got myself and my mom one of these too. They are the beauty blender. They're the BFF beauty blenders. So they come with like a case and it's like a heart case, like a friendship, you know, like a friendship bracelet. So cute. I love it. So I got my bridesmaids each one, and then I also got my mom and I one. So really cute. I want to say, I know that these were on sale. I want to say I paid like $20 a box, which would be like 10 bucks pure beauty blender. I want to say that that's what I paid, something like that. I know that they were on sale. Okay, so I showed all that. Oh, okay. And then I also got them a little thing of Patron. I just really like the look of this, and also tequila is amazing. And then the very last thing that I got them each an ornament because we are having a like holiday Christmas type of themed wedding. And so I thought that this would be perfect to put in their boxes since it is a Christmas theme. And so I literally just had my mom Cricut on there, bridesmaid, hopefully you can tell, bridesmaid, and then our wedding date. So I got them each one of those, really cute. Again, it goes with the overall colors that I was going for, that silver. All right, and then I'm going to put each of these in one of these boxes. These are the memory boxes. I got these a long time ago whenever they were on sale at Michael's for like $2 a piece. Like it was like a heckin' good deal. And I have 5 of them. I have 5 of them, but obviously I'm only gonna be using 4. All right, so the next thing I also got, where is that? I also got this little decorative shreds from, I just got like the regular white, and then these are the iridescent. I also got these to put in their boxes as well. So I'm gonna tell you right now though, these iridescent shreds are a hot freaking mess. They get freaking everywhere. So I kind of wish I wouldn't have gotten those.